You just tuned into the right channel. I'm Stan Stash at BZB TV. Remote control is not just for miniature cars anymore. You now can control a computer remotely, even if you're not in the same room. Nope, this is not some kind of Jedi mind trick. I believe the answer lies here in this device. Fascinating. So much power in such a tiny little thing. Our AV expert, Dan, is in the BZB demo room. Dan, can you please enlighten us on how we can remotely control a computer? You're killing me, Stan. That is the control for my son's RC Racer. You can't use that to control your computer. What you can use is a KVM extender. KVM meaning keyboard, video, mouse. It's great for situations like you want to show everybody in the office something on your computer, but you can't fit them all into your tiny little office. What you can do is you can connect your computer to the big screen in the meeting room with the KVM extender. Here, I've got a KVM extender from Hall Research, a wonderful product. We recommend you do talk to an integrator before doing any kind of AV install, but for those of you savvy enough and want to give it a go yourself, here's an installation video for your reference.
Before we start plugging everything in, make sure all devices are powered off. Let's begin by connecting your peripheral cables to the sender, including CAT cable, which we will be linking to the receiver.
Now, you want to make sure that all your devices are capable up to the highest resolution. What's the use of getting a high-definition TV if you're not running it at its highest settings? Yeah?
Now for the receiver. Connect your peripheral devices like mouse, keyboard, and display to the receiver. Then, take the other end of the CAT cable from the sender and link it up to the receiver.
That's how you go the distance with a KVM extender. Hope you enjoyed the segment. I'm Dan Beard. Back to you in the studio. You can go away now, Dan, thanks. For a professional consultation, be sure to call BZB Express or visit our website at bzbexpress.com. Subscribe and like our videos, and you'll learn everything you can about the AV world. Once again, I'm Stan Stash. Thanks for watching BZB TV, where we provide solutions to amplify your world.